Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a My Melody pumpkin from Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute pumpkin, let's first start by drawing My Melody's eyes. So I'm going to start right here with an oval. And I'm going to make it nice and big. And then I'm going to come across nice and wide. So let's say about right here. And draw another oval. There. So now that I have that, I'm going to come to the top right here and add a circle for highlight and shade everything else in. And same thing over here. So now that I have that, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then let's come in between the eyes and draw another oval, small little oval right about here for the nose. There. And then right underneath this, we're going to draw a smile. So nice curve right underneath. And cap it off. There. So now that we have this, we need to frame the face for the opening of My Melody's face. So I'm going to say, let's come to the top of the eye, use that as my guide. I'm going to come up and come over, and say about right here. And same thing here. From there, I'm going to draw a curve coming down. So we're just drawing an opening. And then we're going to go up right here and curve. So about right here is the center, and then I'm going to come right back down. There. Okay, and then right here, we're going to round it off. And same thing here. And connect at the bottom. So much straighter curve right at the bottom. There. Okay, so now that I have this shape, so like one nice dumpling, we're going to start, let's see here. We'll start to draw the squishmallow shape. So I'm going to come to the top of right here, and I'm going to come out, and let's say about right here, just kind of imagining the sides of the squishmallow. So I'm just going to say about right here, give myself a point. And same thing over here, approximately the same as the other side. And then right here, I'm going to draw a curve around the face. And same thing here. Just draw a nice curve around the face. There. So now that we have that, let's bring it down a little bit more. We're going to pass the face right about here, come down, and I'm going to bring it down to about the same level as the other side. And then from there, if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish the squishmallow shape. But I'm using a Sharpie and I don't want to erase, so I'm going to come right here and connect it with a curve because we need to draw the flaps. So for My Melody's collar, so I'm just going to come right here and draw a curve to connect. Then from there, I'm going to find the center and give myself a point right here. Then I'm going to come out with two curves. And then right here, we're going to pop this part out. And say about right there, round this off and connect. There. We're just kind of following this curve. So same thing here. Just pop this out and connect. There. So now that we have that, let's continue this curve. Just imagine it coming through. And we're just going to finish up the squishmallow shape. So let's say about right here. Bring it down and connect. So flatten out the bottom a little bit more. Okay, so there. So now that we have that, we need to bring this up a little bit more. And same thing here, just bring it up a tiny bit more. And then from there, we need to draw a bow and the ears. So I'm just going to, just at the same level, I'm just going to just give myself a point, very light one, so I know where the center is. And I just want to put a bow right in this area and not passing the center because we still have an ear that we need to draw. So using this as my guide, I'm going to come about right here and draw an oval for the center of my bow. And then I'm going to draw the loops. Nice big bow here, and same thing here. So we just kind of want to keep it in this space. Make it a little bit wider. There. And we can come in here with some details. And then from there, we can come back into this space right here. And we're going to draw the ear that's kind of flopped over. So I'm going to come over here and we're just going to draw a big curve into this space. So just touch the bow and bring down a curve and back up. There. Okay, so now we have that. Once again, come back to the center area about here, and we're going to draw the other ear. So about right here in the space, come up, about right here, and bring it down. There. That's always the hardest part, right? For my melody is these ears. Hopefully I was able to help you today. And then let's see here. Now that we have that, we need to draw some stripes for our pumpkin. So I'm going to come about right here. I'm just kind of following the curve of our squishmallow. Bring it down. And keep going. And in. So same thing on the other side, about right here, approximate. Bring it down. And curve. And then if you like it, you draw a little pumpkin face right here. So I'm going to come about right here, find my center. And I'm going to draw the mouth first. So right here, we're going to put in the tooth. Just kind of want to make sure it's in the center. So I'm just going to go back and forth on each side. And then connect at the bottom for another tooth. And back up. And then we have two little eyes, triangles. So same thing here. There. And I forgot if I put a heart, but I'm gonna put one right here. I forgot if I put a heart on the Kuromi one that I just drew. But I'm going to put one right here for my melody to make this my Draw So Cute My Melody pumpkin inspired by Squishmallows. I really hope you love how this drawing turned out and that I inspired you to draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.